Good morning. Let's get ready for the gym.
I wanna take you out of your head right now. Let it go. We can roll it up when the sun goes down. Take it slow. Give it time, it'll pull us under. Throwing shots like she in a jumper. Make me sweat, she the heat of summer. I just can't cool down. I can make time, call me obsessed. Stuck in your gravity. Body so hot, gotta confess. I'm loving this energy. And honestly, like you can't believe you finally get this all the time. I'm loving this energy.
So we made it to the gym. I'm sitting in my car drinking Celsius. But today I'm gonna do like a complete reset day. I have so much I need to do. I really need to get gas. It's actually stressing me out sitting in my car. It says I have 29 miles left. I am the type where I need like a full tank all the time, or I actually feel like I'm gonna break down on the side of the road. And it could be because perhaps I have broken down on the side of the road before. Not in my car, but I was with a friend and I was like, dude, you like need to get gas. You're about to be out. Oh, I will. Tell me why we broke down on the side of the road. Anyways, I also want to like wash my car and clean out the inside of my car. I need to do my bathroom, vacuum my room. Like I feel like I just have a lot of small things to do. Possibly go grocery shopping. I also do want to get my nails done. Just like a complete reset. Today's not Sunday. I know usually these are like Sunday reset. It is Friday. Until then, I'm gonna go into the gym. I'm hitting legs today and I'm shocked that my legs are not absolutely destroyed. Yesterday when I was at the gym, had like an okay back workout. I was kind of like, not really feeling it. So I was like, all right, let me do like a little bit of cardio. Like what's some fun little cardio I could do? And I was like, you know what? Let me get on the bike. They have like a little room where you can hop on the bike. There was only one other guy in there. So I go in there, I'm like getting set up. And then like a minute later, a teacher walks in, like a teacher for like a spin class. And I was like, oh, is there like a class about to start? Like I can go, like blah, 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 whatever. She's like, no, oh my God, you should stay for it. Point being, I haven't done a spin class in like over a year. And then like more people started to show up for the class and everything, but it actually was a really small class. There was no me sneaking out. I'm also way too nervous of a person to say no. I'm not just gonna say no and leave her class. Like I was in there. So I stayed for an hour-long spin class yesterday after I had already hit back, and I thought my legs were gonna be absolutely destroyed today, but they actually feel pretty good. I think I'm gonna have a good workout today, and I'm definitely gonna go back to another spin class. I forgot. I haven't been to one in so long. They're actually so fun, and especially when it comes to any type of cardio for me, especially like the bike, I need somebody to hold me accountable, and having a teacher like do what we're supposed to do right in front of me, and it just being a class and me never being the type where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna leave mid-class. Like I would never do that. It's good to be held accountable. So I stayed for that. I'm definitely gonna do another one. That was actually so fun. I'm gonna try and film some on my phone. Last time I brought my camera in the gym and I really was only able to film like pull-ups and push-ups, not me actually lifting. So today I'm gonna see if I can get some clips of me like actually lifting. Yeah, I'm gonna have to blow that bathroom up real quick. Let's go. Okay, I finished my workout. I absolutely destroyed my legs. The cycling class definitely did affect though, because when I was doing lunges, it actually felt like whatever that inner muscle in was about to pop. Anyway, I need to eat and shower and then get my day started. Also, ignore that. Close your eyes. I'm always scared that I forgot to unplug the gas pump. So I have to check like 10 times. I'm like, did I unplug it? It's like, yes, you unplugged it. I showered, I did my makeup, and I changed. Now it is time to really take this day on. Let's go. I feel like this week I'm going to try and paint my nails myself and just use like a top coat and a bottom coat and try and save some money. Like, I don't need to be spending money on that to get my nails done. So instead, I am just going to go straight to the car cleaning place, and I'm gonna go through the little drive-through outside car cleaning and then vacuum out the inside of my car. I'm gonna show the outside of my car just to show how dirty it is. So, ew, something landed on me. Hopefully you can see. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It is so bright outside. But she is dirty. It needs to be cleaned. There's some bird shit. And the back has like all these leaves on it. There's like a bunch of like hay or grass over there. And maybe right here. The reason that I like this place is because you like pay for the car wash and then the vacuums are just like free to use. Oh, the vacuums are just free to use afterwards. Okay, anyways, I need to put away my vlog camera because I am now driving and I don't have any kind of tripod for my car, so don't want my camera to break. Again, it's already broken once.
By pressing one of the service buttons on the screen.
Why is it beeping like that?
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind. Struggle with dusty corners that will fill with fatal bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thought. I did it to myself. Let I have you had to break free from the minefield that you are. You fall off from the window, take a bad trip to the ground. It'll be my pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone. You fall off from the window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. It'll be my pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone. You're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, clash the choices, future came and left like ghosts. No more messing, no caressing, heavy pending on the walls. How I did it to myself. Craving out here, practice land, sleeping on my bed is golden sand.
Here is the after. Literally looks so much cleaner. I am back inside now and I changed into something comfier. Would not recommend wearing jeans to a car wash, but then again, I looked cute. So it's okay. Yeah, wouldn't do that again though. But I am now going to clean up my room. I know literally just in my last video I like picked up my room, and it needs to be picked up again because I just leave so much like clutter on the ground. I need to learn to, like, as I'm making the mess, cleaning it up as I go. I'm going to pick up and then I'm gonna do more of like a deep clean. I'm going to vacuum and then I'm gonna wipe down all of the surfaces. And then I also need to wash my sheets, my pillowcases, and then I'm gonna move to the bathroom and clean up in there a bit. And then I need to wash my bath mats.
Days keep flagging, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line? I'll keep trying to find my wings, and when I do, I ain't never coming down. I to breathe when you're standing next to me. I cannot say enough, but when I fell in love, I just got so blind I can't see. Oh no, no. I think I might take a year off you, wasting all my time, but it's nothing, no. And I feel just fine.
I got a couple bad habits, burning holes in my pocket. I had a little bit of faith, but I lost it. And I feel just fine. And I feel just fine. But I'm here now. I'm a little bit late from the reroute. A couple quarters on my eyes, can you see now? And I feel just fine. And I feel just.
I love being at my parents' house for many reasons, but one of them being is I feel like they have like amenities here. Like they have like this nice upscale vacuum. Like we got that bootleg Walmart vacuum at the apartment, so I'm excited to use this.
And I feel just fine. And I feel just fine.
Days keep flying, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line? I'll keep trying to find my wits, and when I don't, I ain't never coming down. I ain't never coming down.
My room looks so much better. Wiping the surfaces down, which is much needed. There's also a bunch of random stains on my carpet. No clue what those are from. Now is the scary part. It's time to do the bathroom. Let me see if my laundry is done. I am going to wash these.
You've been acting distant. I'm trying to find the issue. Really should've listened. I feel like something's missing. How you feel? It's tense when we chill. Please just keep it real. Ooh, you're here, but you're not. Who else got your heart? I know it might hurt, but can you be honest? Be honest. Be honest for me. Be honest. Be honest. Be honest for me. Lately ain't seen eye to eye. You keep your head down this week. I can tell there's something wrong. Tell me if it's best to leave. If so, then I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. If so, then I'll go. I'll go.
It is a little later in the day now, and I am going to take a body shower and then take off my makeup, do some skincare, which is essential for a reset routine. I usually, when it's like a day like this, when I'm just kind of doing all of like the chores and stuff I have to do, there's this one face mask that I do every week. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I look forward to it every week. So I'm gonna do that. And then I am going to pick out a nail color and paint my nails. And I'm gonna paint my dogs this time. Last time I didn't. And my feet were looking scary. I am still moving my laundry along and my towels are now clean. Oh guys, oh my god, one of the best feelings when you're like freshly clean out of the shower, you have fresh sheets and fresh towels. What hits harder? Nothing hits harder. I am out of the shower. I'm going to use the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I think this is the one that I got in my birthday haul or Christmas haul. Stuff is amazing. I love this mask And I feel like it genuinely works. I feel like a lot of the time with masks, they don't work. But I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I haven't moisturized or done any skincare yet. And I do this probably about like once a week. If my skin is really bad, I will maybe do it twice a week. I feel like this is the part of like refreshing for your week that a lot of people may forget about, but like taking care of yourself every day, but like once a week, like really like treating yourself in whatever way you find necessary is amazing. Okay, let me rinse my finger, but I'm gonna let this dry, rinse it off, do some skincare, and then I'm really excited to paint my nails. The only problem, and I've mentioned this before with painting my nails, is the only reason that I like even am willing to pay to get my nails done is because I can never seem to paint my nails successfully without denting them in some way. My nails always, and I mean always, get dented. If for some reason today they don't, it will truly be a miracle. This is very serious. I brought in my studio light just to do my nails. Here's the before, and then I'm gonna go with this color. Please pray for me. Let's hope this turns out good. This is only the kind of thing that would happen to me. I lost power in my room. I'm like mid painting my nails and I lost power and I walk out because it's like, oh, my whole house lost power. No, it was just me. My toes are going to mess up. Dad? Yeah. I just lost power in my room. Let me turn this off for a second. It's actually 1,000 degrees. I truly wonder about myself sometimes. My fan and light is controlled by this remote control. And earlier, like it has this 1 hour, 3 hour, and 6 hour button. And earlier I clicked the 1 hour by accident, like this little button, and I'd never clicked it before. And I was like, let me just click it again. And like, that'll make it undo what it did. So basically, a fuse didn't go out. I just hit the 1 hour button about an hour ago. I totally forgot that I had clicked that button. I thought that having like the studio light running and my fan in the light like burned out a fuse or whatever. It didn't. Thank goodness. Honestly, my nails look surprisingly pretty good. I'm gonna finish them and then do my fingers. Top coat is on now. Okay, I'm going to let my nails and my toes dry. Ooh, speaking of dry, I have to take something out of the dryer. But I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog here. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely a good reset day. I genuinely do like a reset day like every week, like once a week. And I feel like the things that I do that day change somewhat. Like, hi Dusty. Today, I definitely went a little harder in cleaning my car than I usually do, but that was much needed because my car was getting gross. But I feel like we got a lot done, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.